Vivi. Are you playing the jump? Will you play the jump for me? Yay! Do it again. Do it again. Are you playing the jump? Whoa. Can I play the jump too? Let me see. I'm gonna turn it around, okay? Good job.
Jakey, gentle.
Go.
Okay.
Okay.
That's Ryan's. I see your teeth.
Go, go, go.
Teethies are bothering her.
Are you playing the jump?
Who fix that?
Yeah.
Give me, I just said
You are so good at playing the jump, Vivi. Are you playing the jump?